Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am filming from my phone still, but I'm actually doing the front facing. So let me know if you like the way this video looks better than the last couple ones, and then I'll start doing it this way. If I look past, and I'm just trying to make sure that I'm in focus and everything for you guys. Okay, but you don't want to hear any of that. You want to see what I got from e.l.f. So e.l.f. was actually doing 50% off. It was like some random weekend. It wasn't even like 4th of July or anything. And it was 50% off most of their items, and it was free shipping, so I had to jump on it. And then I will tell you the prices as I go along. I took a picture of what I ended up getting, so let's go down the list. The reason why I actually placed an e.l.f. order is because I want to replace, honestly, 99% of my lipsticks. After the whole controversy of so-called lipstick brand, I kind of started freaking out and thinking that all of my lipsticks are going bad, which honestly they are. I just never really consciously thought about like how old my lipsticks actually were. So I started going through them and noticing some mold on some lipsticks, and I freaked out. I just want to really get rid of everything. If you want to see a purge video, let me know. I'm holding on to a lot of them, like for example, my Selena lipstick. I'm not going to throw that out, but I'm not going to like use it either. So like if you want to see a video of like what I want to get rid of, what I want to keep, what's going to be nostalgia, like let me know and I'll do a video on lipsticks. But I'm pretty much replacing some summertime colors because I really don't have any right now. I just have like a couple nudes. And really the only 3 lipsticks I've been recycling are my Aaliyah collection, and those are actually about a year old, so that's really all I have. So let's get into the lipsticks. I first wanted to replace Praline. This one is this one right here. Praline is a really good like nude for tan skin. They actually have it in a liquid lipstick. I do have that one, but I wanted to just go back to the crayon because I feel like it's a little bit more comfortable when I'm wearing it at work and such and such. Let's see. Okay, sorry, I freaked out. I thought it wasn't recording for a second. It's so weird doing it this way, but anyway, this is Praline. This is one of the old school lipsticks that e.l.f. came out with. So it's skinny, and it actually rolls up like this. See, this is what makes me nervous. There's technically a hair on this lipstick, but that could be just from me opening it right now, to be completely honest. And it kind of looks, see, this is what freaks me out. You guys, I just opened this right now. You guys saw me take it out of the package. And I think it's just because it may have melted. I mean, it went up to upwards of 100 degrees outside. So I think this one's fine. Again, this is a brand new lipstick. I could actually compare it to an old one that I have, and then you guys can really see side by side. But yeah, that I wanted to replace my Praline that I have. So that is, I think I'm fine. I think I'm just freaking out. I think I'm just freaking out. I think the whole controversy thing just has us all a little shook, and yeah, I'm fine. It's fine. It's fine. So that was Praline. I also got fuchsia because again, I wanted to replace like a hot pink lipstick. I mean, summer, it's here, and it's probably gonna go pretty soon. So I want to wear like hot pink at work, and I want to wear hot orange, and I have an orange one coming up too. So this is fuchsia. Fuchsia looks a lot better. That's this guy right here. I'm just pulling it up so you guys can see the color. Also, I know a lot of OG e.l.f. people know this, but for you brand new people, the bottom of these actually have like this little sharpener at the bottom, so you can always have a precise lip. So you don't need a lip liner with these. It's kind of like a 2-in-1. So that's why I wanted to get those. Oh, I was going to tell you guys the prices. Okay, so those retail, oh my god, this thing keeps going back and forth. Okay, so those retail for $4. I got it for $2. Got them for $2. And then the next lipsticks I got was moisturizing Orange Dream. I'm replacing this guy too. I don't even know where my other orange one went. I probably threw it out a while back. But yeah, I needed an orange lipstick. I like wearing orange in the fall time as well. So this one will definitely get used to it, or get some use out of it. This one smells straight up like vanilla. So this one's nice and fresh. Here we go. So you guys can see the lipstick. This one looks like it's sweated a little bit, again with the heat, but other than that, it looks pretty good. So that's that guy there, Orange Dream. I can't wait to wear that one. And then I got 2 more lipsticks. I really just went in for the lipsticks, guys. This one is Rosy Go Round. I don't know if I ever had or ever got this one, but I wanted like a kind of like a lighter pink. Yeah, so Rosy Go Round. This one smells like vanilla as well. So this right here is just kind of like where they put the lipsticks together, because it's like a mold. Not mold, but a mold. It's all over the place. I'm sorry. But like, you guys know what I mean. Oh my god, I'm gonna get sued. Okay, so this is Rosy Go Round. So I'm gonna put that one in here. Let's see. Okay, I'm back. So the prices for the moisturizing lipsticks, those are normally $4 and they were $2. So literally all of my lipsticks were $2. The last lipstick I got was new to me, Beautifully Bare Satin Lipstick. I think this is new for e.l.f. It looks like this, and it's in a white packaging. So this one has shea butter, vitamin E. So that one, I guess it's supposed to be a little bit more comfortable. It has mineral oil. I don't know if all of them do. This one does. Beeswax. So this one's not vegan then, if it has beeswax, right? I don't know. But I got the one that kind of would probably look like my lips, but better. So yeah, so I got that one. If you see like little brown flecks, it's because of the packaging. I don't know what e.l.f. is doing, but they have like this weird packaging, and I had to open it weird. So that's what that is. Okay, so let me. I swear I don't remember picking this one up. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. It was in my package, and I was like, I swear I don't remember putting this in there, but I guess I did. This one was $8, and I got it for $4. Maybe I did want to try it. Hydrating skin and refreshes makeup with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So I think maybe I looked at it because I wanted to. Oh, it's closed. Let me peel it. I want to see what it's. I mean, obviously it's going to smell like coconut, but I want to see like how strong or what have you, because MAC came out with some different like sprays, and I know some other brands came out with like different scent sprays. Oh my god, it's on both sides. So I gotta, well, at least they package it pretty good. So let's see. This one, it does smell like coconut. It's got a nice mist too. Yeah, I'm gonna like this one a lot. I'm gonna like that one. And then I also picked up another Total Face sponge. This is the one I was telling you guys about in my last video that I really, really like. Sorry, this thing keeps... I swear, Apple annoys me so much. We have to use Apple computers at work. And yeah, I know, Apple people, whatever, but like sometimes it just irritates me sometimes. Okay, anyway, so this is normally $5 and it was on sale for $2.50. So I had to pick another one up because I love this sponge. Use wet or dry. I do believe that you can use it wet or dry. It's great. I also picked this up. This was kind of cool. This is an artist mixing palette. This is actually, let me see if I can open it up so you guys can see. Ugh. I really should have just pre-opened everything before I started filming. But basically you take this and you put it on your wrist, and you could actually mix colors and then actually like paint your face. So I'll use this in a video soon so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But this is pretty much like if you're in between shades and you want to mix the colors and then put on your face, that's what that is. So I got that. That one was actually normally $2, so I got it for $1. I'm like, for $1, I'll try it out. And then the last two things that I got were not on sale, but rave reviews. People have done videos about it. It's been sold out. You guys probably know what I'm going to talk about. This is the Poreless Putty Primer for $8. It finally got back in stock, so your girl had to pick it up, and I'm going to have to try this one out and see how good it actually is. Now, I'm actually an oily skin girl. You could probably see it right now. I had a very, very long day at work, so I want to see if that actually works, because I really, really do like my Smashbox pore minimizing primer. So I'm going to put that one in the test and see if it actually works. I know there's a lot of people that do videos, and I feel like their skin is so flawless that it's not really giving a really good representation as if it works or not. So like, we need somebody with like really, really oily skin to really try like this stuff to see if it actually works. So I'm going to try it out, and then we're going to go from there. And speaking of oily, I wanted to get a face powder because, like, again, my last video, I don't do anything. I just put the foundation and boom, I'm done. I put the primer, foundation, then I'm out the door. So I wanted to get a powder. So I wanted to get the Perfect Finish HD powder. Hopefully this one does not give like a white cast. I don't think it will. It's translucent, so vamos a ver. I don't know. We're gonna see how that one works. That one, was that one on sale? Maybe this one was on sale. Here I go. I gotta log back in again. Ugh. Okay. I don't know why this stuff just doesn't stay up. Where'd it go? Did I delete it by accident? I don't know where. Oh, there it is. Let's see. The HD powder was on sale, so it's normally $6. I got it for $3, so not bad. $3 for a powder. And then this is the other thing that was not on sale, but I wanted to try it. This is, again, for your oily girl. All Day Stay eyeshadow primer. I've been doing this all day where I cannot talk. $4, and I got it for $4, which is not bad. Crease proof, fade proof, up to 24-hour eyeshadow primer. So again, I get really, really oily, which is another reason why I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow. So I want to try this out too. So maybe I'll do a oily, like, will it work for oily skin video, and then I can kind of like use this guy to kind of take away the cakiness of the makeup that might happen. Okay, so that's my video. I'm sorry I was all over the place and I had to stop, go back and forth because I really did think that I wasn't filming. So yeah, like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really, really appreciate it. And guys, comment. I will respond. Like, I'm a small channel. Like, I'm waiting to see if you guys are in the comments. I talk to you guys. I love my subscribers. So if you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to drop a comment. Even if it's a hate comment, go ahead. I don't care. It's fine. If you need to let something off your chest, might as well put it on my channel. Alright guys, love you. Bye.